If you've ever wanted to spread the word about your Telegram channel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find and share your Telegram channel link, the straightforward way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to invite followers from anywhere, whether it's on social media, a website, or even to friends in your contacts. Let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open your Telegram app. You can use it on your phone or desktop. It works the same way for sharing your channel link. Take a moment to find the app and get logged in if you aren't already. It's always a good idea to start from your chat list so you don't get lost along the way. Next, let's find your channel. On the main screen, look for the channel you want to share. It should appear right there among your chats. Tap the channel to open it up. This step is important because everything we do from here will be inside your channel's settings, so double-check you're in the right place. If you have multiple channels, make sure this is the one you want to share. You don't want to accidentally send the wrong link out. Now, at the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. These are the More Options menu. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. Sometimes these menus can look a little intimidating, but don't worry, everything we need is just a couple of clicks away. From here, select Manage Channel. This option usually appears near the middle or bottom of the menu. You might have other choices like View Members or Edit, but Manage Channel is the key one for getting to your channel settings. A good rule of thumb, whenever you want to adjust something fundamental about your channel, start with Manage Channel. Once you're in the channel management screen, scroll down until you spot Invite Link. This is the golden ticket, your channel's unique address on Telegram. The invite link lets anyone join or see your channel instantly without needing to search for it manually or type in the name. Think of it like a personalized invitation to your Telegram community. Tap on Invite Link. Here you'll see 2 main options, Share Link or Copy Link. If you tap Share Link, you'll get a menu that lets you send the link directly through other apps, maybe WhatsApp, Twitter, email, or wherever your audience hangs out. Alternatively, you can tap Copy Link, which saves the link to your clipboard. That's really handy if you want to paste it somewhere special, like your Instagram bio, a tweet, or even a business card. There's no wrong way, just choose whichever method feels more convenient for you. And that's it. It really is that simple. Take a moment to double-check you're sharing the right channel link, especially if you manage several communities. And remember, sharing your channel can help grow your audience, boost engagement, or just make it easier for people to find you. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if something didn't work quite right, let me know in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more straightforward Telegram tips or tutorials about digital tools. See you in the next one.